Let's stop wearing our buns like this and instead wear our buns like this. I'm going to show you how, so let's go ahead and get into it. So for my buns, I always like to leave some hair out in the front. I just feel like it helps add to that messy bun vibe. If your hair is really long to where you can't pull strands out, I highly recommend getting like face framing layers for when you do like updos, low buns, messy buns, stuff like that. That way you can have these nice pieces hanging out if you like that. So I thought I'd show you real quick how to do that first bun. So I just twist my hair around my finger and just wrap my bun around itself and put a hair tie over it. I wear this bun all the time. I just don't know if I'd wear it out because it's a little small compared to my other bun I'm going to show you. If you fluff it out, honestly, it's not a bad bun. It's not. I wear it. So here's how I do my nice big fluffy bun. I put my hair up into a high ponytail and then I just tighten it, make sure it's nice and flush up against my head. And then I take my ponytail and I just spread my ponytail around the base of that hair tie all the way around. So it looks like this. So I just squeeze my hair all together right at that hair tie. I'm squeezing my hair tie too, along with my hair. And then I like to take a clear elastic. I find that this works better than a hair tie. And I just wrap it around that little bun that we were just holding on to. And look how cute. Now you're gonna have ends hanging out. So I take those ends, I split them into two sections. I twist those two sections around my finger. I cross them in the front and then I take them in the back. I just make sure they're nice and twisted again. And then I just crisscross those twists in the back. So like here, just cross. And then if you have really long hair, you can keep on crisscrossing, but I'm just gonna take those ends, cross them once more in the front, tuck them up underneath and bobby pin. I know some of you hate bobby pins, and don't worry, I have hairstyles coming for that without bobby pins. So now I'm just going to take those twists and just kind of pinch and pull to make them appear a little bit fuller. I'm going to pinch and pull the top of my head for some fullness and texture, and that's really it. This thing, it looks so cute from all angles, front, back, side. I love it. I love the fullness that this gives my hair. I have fine hair, but this bun, you'd never know. Now I'm going to show you some other ways to wrap your hair around the bun. It's the same bun, but we're doing stuff differently with the ends. So you can see here, I'm just tying my ends. I'm splitting it so there's a little hole in between like you see here. I'm putting my fingers through, turning it once, and then I'm taking that opening and I'm just stretching it over that bun. Then just make sure to tighten the ends of your clear elastic. With the ends that are hanging out from that clear elastic, just tuck them up underneath and insert a bobby pin. And that's really it. So this is just another variation of that same bun we just did. If the first one doesn't work out, maybe try this one. This one is equally as cute from all angles. I'm going to show you all these buns at the end and you can pick and let me know which one's your favorite. But let's move on to the third one. All right, for the third one, you're going to take your ends and you are literally tying a knot. So you're going to cross your ends over each other and it's going to create an opening, and you just put one of your ends through that opening and just tie it like you were tying a shoe. So if you can tie a shoe, that's how you're just going to tie your hair. So again, I'm going to tie a knot like I'm tying my shoe in the back, and then just tucking my ends up underneath in the front so they are hidden. I'm inserting a bobby pin on my ends, and that is it for that one. Of course, pinch and pull for some fullness. And here is the third variation of this bun. For our fourth and final variation, you're going to split that hair into two sections, and then you're just going to take one of those sections, divide it into two strands, twist those strands around each other, and then it should look like this. And I'm just going to hold that twist in my mouth and just repeat on the other section of hair. Then I'm going to take this twist and I'm just going to wrap it around my bun. Once I get to the ends, I'm just going to bobby pin it. So then do the same thing with the other section of hair. Just wrap it around the front to the back. And then once you get towards the ends, just kind of tuck them up underneath that twist so you don't see them. And then just bobby pin it. Of course, I'm going to pinch and pull my twists so they're not so, small. I like them nice and full, and it ended up looking like this. So again, here it is from all angles. And then I'm going to show you all of the buns that we did today. So here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very similar, of course, but they're all done a little bit differently. So let me know if you have a favorite or if you just love them all. So that is it. That is all I have for you today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.